How to fix Capcut no internet connection problem. So if your Capcut app says that there is no internet connection, this could be caused because there are some kind of bugs in the system. But before that, make sure you also check that if really your internet connection is working or not. So you can open up any other applications and check if it is working, whether you're using a cellular data or Wi-Fi. Now for the people who are using cellular data, what you can do is tap and hold the app and open up app info, and here you should have an option which says restrict data uses. Now sometimes this option may be turned off, so make sure you simply turn this option on. And you should also have an option of Wi-Fi, so make sure that Wi-Fi is also turned on if you're using a Wi-Fi. Now the second thing that you can do is you'll have an option of clear data. You would want to tap on clear cache. Caches are the temporary files which have been downloaded automatically. Now after you do these couple of steps, check if that fixes the issue. If it still does not, you can now try to update the app of Capcut. Open up your Play Store or the App Store and search for Capcut. Now once you search for Capcut, if there is an update, you can update the app. As you can see, it says update right here. You can tap on it. Updating apps helps to fix the bugs which may be causing that issue. Now once you update it, check if it fixes this problem. If it still does not, you can now try to uninstall the app of Capcut and then reinstall it on your phone. So you can simply uninstall it from here. Now, and once it has been uninstalled, you can again download it and install it. And once you do that, you should be pretty much good to go, and you should not have any options which says no internet connection. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.